literally just witnessed a spider catch a fly, like, wrap it up in its web, and it's now eating it, and I actually want to cry because I've just witnessed murder. That's actually ruined my day. It's not normal how much I care about animals more than humans. It's 2 weeks until I go back to uni for my final year. Crazy. Time really does fly by. It's gonna feel so strange going back. I've not been there for, I swear it's like a year and a half. Because I broke up for the summer. Then I had my summer and then my placement year. But yeah, the time is quickly approaching to go back for my final year. I just know final year is gonna be gone in a flash. So I'm looking forward to making the most of it. I know that I'm gonna miss uni when it's gone. Got its highs and its lows, but you know, now I've experienced the world of working life. What? Yeah, the world of working. Quite looking forward to, you know, writing my dissertation. So excited. Not. I picked up a few new bits for uni. I thought I'd show you, give you a little haul for anyone going into final year or just going back to uni in general. I love watching these videos, so hopefully some of you guys like watching these too. I haven't gone too overboard compared to my first year uni haul. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I did actually react to my first year uni haul, and I just did a video on sort of what you do and don't need for uni. I think the things in this video are the essentials, in my opinion. I'm still waiting on a few bits from Amazon, so whenever they arrive, I will show you them. But yeah, being Amazon, and that could be my Amazon. Wait. Ta-da. It's like they knew. How crazy was that? Amazon, B&M and dunelm. B&M actually surprised me, and I ended up getting most stuff from B&M, so let's just get into what I bought for final year. I don't know where to start. Let's start with this big bag here. Okay, I feel like these are kind of the boring bits, I'm not gonna lie to you, but also the essentials. I did say in my last video, but I live with 7 other girls, so that's 8 of us. Wouldn't have it any other way. It's kind of different to first year, where you maybe haven't spoken to your housemates yet and you want everything new, everything your own. Whereas I feel like it's slightly different for final year. Living with 7 other girls, like, you don't all need to bring a grater or a tea towel. Do you know what I mean? When I move in there, may still be some bits I need to get, but anyway, I'm gonna shut up and just show what I've got. Right, we're gonna start off with this plate. Honestly, B&M have all the bargains. I think I spent £45 on all the B&M stuff. I've got a small plate, £2.50. Watching my first year uni haul, I was very like colour coordinated. Everything had to be pink or grey and aesthetically pleasing and just like amazing. And to some extent I am still like that, but I have recently moved house and just redesigned my whole bedroom, so I feel like I don't really mind as much for this final year. I'm just kind of like getting something cheap that will do the job. We got this toothbrush holder, £2.50. Can't be wrong. There's a sink in my bedroom and that just doesn't sit right with me. I mean, it might end up being really useful, but a sink in a bedroom. No offense, people with sinks in the bedroom. Oh god. I got 2 bowls, just matching plates, both £2.50. I feel like 2's a good amount. We also don't have a dishwasher. I'm sorry, that is criminal. That should be illegal. I actually emailed and I was like, excuse me, there's 8 girls living in a house. Surely a dishwasher is a necessity. And he replied and said, sorry, no can do. I mean, honestly, uni landlords take the piss. So if you've not yet washed up your bowl, you got a spare one, but come on girls, if you're watching this, we are doing the washing up this year. We're keeping the kitchen clean. Otherwise, there's gonna be trouble. Right, okay, I've got a bin for my bedroom, you know, standard. Doesn't actually have, yeah, it does, £2.50. I've also got this cutlery set, and this was reduced to £5 for a really nice 16-piece cutlery set. Cutlery is actually quite expensive usually. £5. I was really looking for the proper bargains. My dad's office is literally right there, and he's on a call, so if you can hear him speaking, then I do apologise. Hopefully you can't. I got a simple chopping board, non-slip, £2. I only got 1 oven tray this year. I honestly think that's all you need, but then again it comes back down to living with 7 other girls who are also going to have oven trays, I hope. £3, perfect size to fit in your chips, chicken, whatever you fancy. Okay, I got this glass. How cute is this? It was actually £3 and I only got one because we got really nice ones from Amazon which are very similar to this when we moved house, and I'm not allowed to take them, and also I don't want to break them. So I thought I only need one nice glass, like iced coffee, smoothies, and I found a pretty much identical one in B&M, so get yourself to B&M, guys. Okay, there's some more plates. I just got 2 of the large plates, £3 each. Okay, now this was a great find. Set of 5 utensils, £2.50 for all these. I had actually picked up like one of these, I think it was a Russell Hobbs one, and then one of these spatulas. Is that spatula? And they were £2.50 each. Then I came across this absolute great find. £2.50 for all 5. Thank you later. Then I just got a bowl, a pasta bowl, £2.50, and a writing pen, which is £9. I only picked up a few bits from dunelm because stuff like my sheet, duvet covers and things like that, I think I'm going to take that with me from my new room in the new house because I just love it so much. And I think going back from this lovely new house and a lovely new bedroom to the shithole that oh my god, can you actually be quiet? I think you heard me. To the shithole that my uni house is. I'm warning you. It's gonna be hard, so I thought I want some nice things. So I just picked up some new pillows because I'm gonna need some new pillows. That's not the most exciting purchase. I've really pushed the boat out here. I recently have been such a plain Jane beige gal. Sorry, I feel like this video is all over the place, but what I was trying to say is I got some pink towels. I think that Barbie film just really influenced me, to be honest. I just thought I'd switch it up. You know, no harm in adding a little bit of colour into your life. Also, they're like waffle material, which I love. These are from dunelm and they're £12 each. I was going to get a bath sheet, you know, like the extra large towels, but top tip for uni, I just feel like they're harder to dry. Actually, if you have a tumble dryer, I don't know, just get what you like. Oh, and I also got this diffuser from dunelm. This was a little bit of like a treat, you know. I wouldn't say this is an essential, but it just smelled bloody lovely. I need to smell it again. Oh, beautiful. It's in the scent Black Pomegranate Hotel. I just, you know, anything to make my room smell like a hotel. Can't wait for you guys to see my room. It's just, honestly, it's so lovely. Last but not least, oh, there's a hair, lovely. Picked up this mug because, again, we got these mugs for the new house and I wasn't allowed to take it, so I thought, you know what, that's okay. I will just reimburse my mug collection, £4.50. I'm obsessed with these. I also really want a glass mug. Don't you just love a glass mug? There's just something so satisfying about seeing the colour of your tea through the mug. Okay, anyway. Finally, Amazon. Oh, this is a little Amazon unboxing. Safe. I meant like that was safe, not safe. Okay, anyway. I'm actually just having a moment because everyone is at cream pills right now. I don't know why this just came into my head, but I've been at festivals every single year and this is the first year I'm not. It's making me quite sad. Oh yeah, I'm actually well excited about this. I picked up this blender because I use the blender so much at home. Smoothies, protein shakes. This was £22 and it's a smaller one. The one I have here is quite big and I think having a more compact one, like, you've probably all seen these before. I'm just very excited about my blender. Oh wow, I can like have it in the cup. But again, that's not an essential, and to be honest, I don't think many people use blenders frequently. I don't think any of the girls in the house use blenders as often. Oh no, I might be wrong, but yeah, again, this isn't an essential and something you need at uni. This is just what keeps me happy, as sad as that is. It's really exciting. Tupperwares, yay! Tupperwares are very helpful, and these are like really good quality ones. Great to put your leftover meals in, although I kind of wish they were all this size. I wanted something to make my room look a bit nicer. You know, like last year I had LED lights. I don't really know if the LED lights kind of get out anymore, but I got these curtain lights. We'll see. They might fail, but I have a good vision. Oh god, it literally says Christmas on it. Why do they have to be Christmas? Yeah, we'll see, but I'm thinking like by the side of my bed. I just like, my room is probably the smallest in the house. At least that will hopefully mean it's more cozy. We hope. I feel like fairy lights can make the room really cozy. Do you know what I mean? And then last but not least, probably this exciting part. I got a laundry bag. Mate, what? I'm just gonna put it on the back of my door. That's the plan. Like I keep saying, my room's quite small, so I didn't want a big laundry basket in the room taking up most of the space, you know what I mean? And that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. I haven't filmed a haul video in a bloody long time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm actually really excited now. Just be back in Bournemouth, by the beach, romanticising my life. And I'm really excited to hopefully film some videos with my housemates and just get some new content. Do you know what I mean? Change the scenery. Even though I'm be really sad to leave this house. But anyway, shout now. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye. I actually never tire of this view. Wow. I just love it.